Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Fried Hong Kong noodles are a true Cantonese classic. This dish is famous for its distinct chewy texture and a delicious mix of everyday ingredients. You'll often find it with ingredients like char siu, shrimp, or various vegetables. It's incredibly popular in Hong Kong and among Cantonese communities worldwide. People love it as a quick meal, a late-night snack, or a comforting home-cooked dish. We're going to show you how to make this iconic noodle dish right in your own kitchen. The anatomy of authentic fried Hong Kong noodles. Ever wonder what makes fried Hong Kong noodles so incredibly satisfying? It's all about the interplay of specific ingredients and precise preparation techniques. Let's break down the core elements that give this beloved dish its unique character and irresistible appeal. The perfect noodle, choosing and preparing. The foundation of any great noodle dish starts with the noodles themselves. For authentic fried Hong Kong noodles, we always reach for thin, springy Hong Kong-style egg noodles. These aren't just any noodles, their distinct chewiness is key. To get that ideal QQ texture, a delightful elasticity that's slightly bouncy, proper preparation is crucial. First, blanch your noodles briefly in boiling water, just until they separate and are pliable. This is not about fully cooking them yet. Immediately after blanching, drain the noodles and rinse them under cold water. This stops the cooking process and removes excess starch, which helps prevent sticking. After rinsing, toss them with a tiny bit of sesame oil or vegetable oil to keep them from clumping together. This step is essential for perfectly separate, chewy noodles in your stir-fry. Essential proteins and vegetables. Beyond the noodles, a thoughtful combination of proteins and vegetables provides both flavor and texture. For proteins, you'll often find a mix of char siu barbecue pork. Sliced thinly, it adds a sweet and savory depth. Shrimp. Quickly cooked, they offer a tender, slightly sweet bite. Beef or chicken. Usually thinly sliced and marinated to ensure tenderness, these soak up the sauce beautifully. These proteins are typically cooked separately or quickly blanched before being added to the stir-fry, ensuring they are perfectly done without overcooking. When it comes to vegetables, they add crunch, freshness, and color. Common choices include bean sprouts. They provide incredible crispness. Chinese chives. Their mild oniony flavor complements the other ingredients. Onions. Sliced thin, they offer a subtle sweetness once stir-fried. Carrots. Shredded or julienned, they add a touch of color and sweetness. These vegetables are usually added toward the end of the stir-fry, ensuring they retain some of their natural crispness. That signature sauce, umami and balance. The soul of fried Hong Kong noodles truly lies in its signature sauce. It's a blend that hits all the right notes, savory, a little sweet, and packed with umami. The core components often include light soy sauce. This provides the main salty, savory base. Dark soy sauce. Used more for its rich color and a hint of deeper, less salty flavor. Oyster sauce. A cornerstone of Cantonese cooking, it brings a rich, briny umami punch. Sesame oil. Added at the end, it offers a distinct nutty aroma. A touch of sugar. This is key for balancing the savory elements, providing a subtle sweetness that rounds out the flavor profile. Combining these ingredients in the right proportions creates a sauce that coats every strand of noodle and piece of protein and vegetable without making the dish overly wet. The goal is a harmonious blend where no single flavor dominates, resulting in a comforting and highly satisfying experience. Mastering the wok, techniques for the best stir-fry. Stir-frying is more than just cooking quickly, it's an art form. To truly achieve the magic of fried Hong Kong noodles, you need to understand the fundamental techniques that bring out incredible flavor and texture. It's all about high heat and precise timing. Wok hei, the breath of the wok. Wok hei is a Cantonese term that translates to the breath of the wok. It refers to that unique smoky, intensely savory aroma and flavor you find in perfectly executed stir-fries. This comes from very high heat, which causes ingredients to rapidly agar and partially char. The intense heat vaporizes liquids quickly, preventing steaming and promoting that desired seared exterior. For home cooks, achieving true wok hei can be a challenge without a powerful burner. Here's how to get close. Heat your wok until it smokes. This is crucial. Use high heat and wait until you see wisps of smoke before adding oil. Use a thin layer of oil. Too much oil can reduce the heat when ingredients are added. Work in small batches. Overcrowding the wok drops the temperature significantly. Cook proteins and some vegetables separately if needed. Keep ingredients dry. Excess moisture will cool the wok and steam your food instead of searing it. Pat proteins and blanched noodles dry. Stay tuned for part 2 where we'll show you the stir-frying techniques and final touches to make them truly authentic. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.